Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Crochet Craftsman. I'm so happy you're here today. In today's tutorial, we're making this adorable crochet Christmas tree ornament in just 15 minutes. We'll be using a simple granny square technique, so it's super easy and perfect if you're just starting out with crochet. For this project, I'm using a 5-ply medium weight cotton-acrylic yarn blend. My crochet hook is 2.20 millimeters. That's close to a USB 1 size. All right, let's begin with a magic ring using green yarn. Chain 2 to start the round. Work 12 double crochets into your magic ring, and those first 2 chains count as one of them. Once you've got 12 double crochets, slip stitch into the top of that first chain, and that completes our first round. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and switch to red. I'm using red for the ornament. Hit pause anytime if you need to catch up. I'll be right here. Join your red yarn to any double crochet, and chain 3. In that same stitch, work 3 double crochets. We're forming our first popcorn here. Slip stitch into the top of that first double crochet. And there's your first popcorn stitch. Move to the next stitch and make a popcorn with 4 double crochets. Same technique, just 1 more stitch. Keep going around. 1 popcorn in each stitch. You'll end up with 12 popcorns total. At the end, slip stitch to your first popcorn. Perfect, that round's done too. Chain 1, cut, and switch back to green. Same process as before. We'll start shaping the Christmas tree next. It's coming together beautifully. Now we'll start shaping this circle into a square by working rows of stitches side by side. The order of your stitches is important here. It defines the shape. See those stitches in the back? We'll use them one by one to build our sides. Attach your yarn to any stitch you like. Just secure it firmly. Chain 2 to start this round. In that same stitch, work double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. That makes our very first corner. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. In the next one, a half double crochet. Then work 1 single crochet right into the next stitch. Next, 1 half double crochet. And 1 double crochet into the following stitch. Now, in the next stitch, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. That's our second corner done. We'll repeat the same stitch order between the corners. Double, half double, single, then half double, and double again, just like before. Keep working around, forming all 4 corners the same way. At the last corner, continue with a double crochet, half double, single, half double, and finish with a double crochet, just like we did before. If your shape's coming out nicely, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. Slip stitch into the top of your first chain, and we're done with this round. Chain 2, then work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. At the corner, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Now continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the next corner. When you reach the corner, again, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. Keep repeating the same pattern. Work double crochets along the sides. And in each corner, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. When you reach the end, leave a long tail for sewing and cut your yarn. Now join the ends with an invisible join, right through the first stitch. If you've made it this far, amazing job! Take a second to like this video. You're doing great. After that invisible join, weave the yarn tail through the back of the stitches, all the way to the next corner, just to tidy it up. Now it's time to decorate the wreath we've placed on top of our square motif. With white yarn, we'll stitch little zigzags right over the popcorn stitches. It gives that snowy garland effect. And on the top, we'll add a small bow to complete the look. Now switch to your white yarn and thread it through your tapestry needle. Keep going around just like this, adding those white zigzags all the way around the wreath. Leave a bit of yarn, and let's start chaining now. You can chain as long as you want your bow to be. I'm chaining 30 in total. Once you've finished your 30 chains, leave a little tail and cut the yarn. Now shape that chain into a cute little bow. Looking adorable already, right? Don't forget to give this video a like. With the remaining yarn tail, attach the wreath to any corner of the square, right where you want your bow to sit. You can pull both ends of the bow through the double crochet gaps from our very first round, just like that. The bow's in place, so now we'll give this square its Christmas tree shape. Starting from the corner where your bow is, fold the square in half, just like this. Now bring your yarn up to the top corner, right where we made those 2 chains earlier. Sew down using the stitches on both sides. Just match them one by one as you go. All right, we've sewn the first section, and it looks great so far. Now fold the bottom part upward and sew it just the same way. Now, with your brown yarn, we'll make the trunk of our Christmas tree. Insert your hook through both corners, the front and the back, and secure the yarn right there. Chain 3. In that same space, work 3 treble crochets. This forms the trunk. Chain 3 again. Slip stitch into the same space. Then chain 1 and cut your yarn to finish off. And that's it. Your adorable crochet Christmas tree ornament is complete. If you'd like the written pattern, you can find it on crochetstrends.com. The link's right below this video. At the very top, I've added a small hanging loop. You can make yours in the same color as your tree, or match it with the wreath. Both look lovely. I really hope you enjoyed making this with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap that like button and subscribe to Crochet Craftsman for more easy crochet projects. I post new beginner-friendly tutorials every single week. And coming up next, we'll be making a crochet Christmas ball keychain, a festive little project you won't want to miss. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting.